girl Shaddie, and today it's my birthday. I can do what I like. Although you can't see, but my friends are behind there somewhere. We are currently going out to the Palisades Strip near the airport, Norman Mali International Airport. We're going to take some pictures and just have a good day. I already got glammed up because last year I showed you guys the whole process. Basically the same process, the same makeup girl. Pinky came, she did my makeup, I did my hair, and Chantel did my body, and Margie and Richie did the balloon. Oh well, across. So guys, we're just looking for a spot, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what the day will be like, but hopefully it will be fun, and I will have enough footage to post this vlog, okay? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, if you want to support my channel, the links will be in the description box below, or you can always shoot me a message on Instagram if you want to be more personal. Alright, let's go to the shoot. Bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Watch Bobby, darling. Watch Ken. Watch Shandal.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Alright, balloon time. Alright, so be careful now.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. But I just wanna be and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride.
Catch the white water. Watch white water.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Oh, no, I like it. What's wrong with it? Playful thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, we'll go ahead.
This is nice. You like that one here?
So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself.
Guys, look at that look. Alright guys, so that's the wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what's gonna happen next. I don't know if this is the last clip, but let us see. Let us see. I knew the day wasn't done. So we're back in the car. They're bringing me somewhere, but I don't know where. But I can't tell you all women what I'm gonna do. I can't predict this. I can't buy this and win. I can't bet on it. I know say that I'm using Kingston. I know say Rutan is here. I know them are gonna show up. Them can't trick me. Anyways, I'll pick up this when we get there, okay? Okay. When I can't end the vlog, I can't do this good. Peace. So, hi Shaddie BTV. Hi. So we're actually doing a surprise picnic for our girl Shaddie. As you can see, the setup is quite beautiful. I hope she loves it when she gets here. Until then guys, bye. I know that road, I tell you. Yeah, you just take the turn. We'll pass UCC. I'm gonna see if they light the red. But no,
you're gonna see if they light the red.
You're gonna stop.
Oh jeez, no sir.
I know that turn. I take that turn since morning go to me. So I'm gonna see him to the gear.
Where you want?
If you don't love me.
Yeah? Yeah?
I don't bring me to the place anymore.
Which part?
No, I tell you the one why I embarrass myself.
I don't know the place.
I'm just like I said, I'm gonna type it.
But talk, why
no,
type?
No, embarrass is supposed to bring me to there instead. And then we will never know.
What?
No, I can't go do it now.
No, but I go somewhere, so we're gonna turn around. Remember I said we have to go pick up route, you know. So
I still not going to do that? No, I'm figure say when I'm trying to call taxi here.
You used to should take taxi.
No, but if Dana did it with her.
Dana? So what are they? How much? I will office. Shaddie, so we are going over UCC.
No, I'm gonna say we were passing.
And then,
but still feel like
so which place you want to go near UCC?
Oh, you see. But
oh, you want to go up on the roof?
They drive past. You don't reach yet.
You want to go to some true?
Yeah, No.
Shut up about our man. Our hotel. Sure, go up on the roof.
Why? Yeah, we not turn already. I know this. We have sense. We have sense. So what can I turn this? You reach?
Huh?
You reach? Oh, you
Reach
turn.
what?
So yes, slant is slant.
Shaddie, just relax yourself, because you don't know where we are driving, bro.
I could lay a plantation. Yeah, the man come at town. Just smoke out.
Plantation I come at town?
Yeah, plantation.
Oh, you mean a location? Huh?
You ain't gotta say too much.
I like them country road there.
You know in the country. I don't say a park here, park. Like you can't drive. Stop the life with spite. No road, no town, no bad. Oh, the airport?
Airport?
Is that a flight?
You mean Port Royal?
They're for the tarmac. The runway. And the next year, if the plane still there, they might come down there. I route and I call, where the camera then? You not vlog me? Oh, but the music. Yo, when we hold it up in the store, you see through it. Maybe that much more.
Alright.
So what's the issue?
Don't move.
No, trust me. Trust me. It's fine.
Oh.
It's fine. It's fine. So I will have the family that it's fine. It's fine for the family. It's fine.
Don't move. There's nowhere over there to park. Come.
Would I have video of it? I don't even know if they park camera there.
Yeah, you're always on camera. The whole drive was on camera.
What?
You mean?
It music did that play, so.
No, me turn it down.
You feel never turn on it.
Back in business.
We have to get off for way to leave. Oh,
Our face lean.
how you feeling? My ear river.
River. All right. Okay.
That's the air. Birds. Alright, what it? What got it? Yeah, river birds. What? What's happening?
That girl said she earring, but if it near fire, she not feel it for
Look
that.
at eye. Relax my eye. Feel like yeah, people know the lads, so I feel like but we're not near step yet.
It's a country. You can joke it.
You feel like that? We feel like I didn't know that we that good. Which other way?
Which other way?
Like so, I want to take my skull. So now we have this place, we have to move to this place.
Out of which place? Good.
I don't want to go. You know what I'm saying? How are these? I thought we were never come to it.
You come in that bush before? Never said it. Most of the way.
Guys, I'm nervous. You know what the car do?
Obvious.
No man, but you are what it? You up, that's something at church.
So that means?
Okay. What that mean? I'm still a walk from ground. Who they walk together?
Yeah.
We have a picnic.
Picnic.
Yeah. Just trying to do the weird up. No, you're not sitting up and growing that.
What do we get to the girl? Make sure I do it cross yourself.
No.
Confuse her.
But Richie, tell her one blankie when we are coming out. I won't get it.
Never take care.
I won't get it. Nope. Nope.
But what I do, when I take out the blanket, let me go there.
I like the palisados.
Palisados.
No, I'm probably plant the seed.
For the blanket grow.
I over the on grass.
I want.
Yes,
Nail them?
I feel something flash.
You never glue time. Eh? I'm just sweet. We're going to find somebody. I gotta pick up root and all I know. So stay right here.
No, they can't trick me. We'll reach. Richard, we carry the pan grass. I go pick up root and they carry it up.
You the pan grass?
Yes. Guys, with that work again, I am can't trick me. Root and the right stuff.
Right. Wait, how much you bet say?
And down there. I know up again there.
How much you bet?
Back way. If you're not there up again, they man
After
don't sell food.
After 3, hold on there.
Somewhere we have grass.
Wow.
Oh shit, sorry.
Wow.
Would they at the place, right?
No. Did they say where wait?
They all not gonna pull up the glasses.
You have the what? You got glasses? No.
Ready?
No, can you tell me say you know where there's some of who I check.
Ready? We there up there and we feel the breeze.
Well, the breeze.
Yeah, the back man.
After 3.
Let's
put it up at ears. Let's put it up at ears.
Mega still up, man. Come island.
After 3.
Now you pull up the wing.
After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise! Disoriented. Right to the last of the Who the fuck? Thank you. Oh, wait, this? You? Oh, guys, with the right thing for me, I see you. But no, it was a picnic because Richie asked for the speaker and a big grass.
Let's see that's the part. Yes, sir.
So when we're gonna get food? What are we afraid of my leg? Get out the outside door. Oh my, the color talk. Whatever that is, this coming in. You know that? Oh, the cable love this? Come, sit down. Guys, I'm so shaggy. Show them. Them see what we do? What we do? So when you get pushed out on him, some of there. You are Margie? When this one? You gonna do this with them? So they make.
You can't wait no your home.
Just take one picture first, like one thumbnail before, because we can't go keep this yet. Make we just take one. The BS are blow to you know. No. What for the man? Oh, me I feel grass. Don't make me think you get fast. Check my school. No, could I just come on? Wouldn't need ID?
But keep in mind, I rent it, you see? Remember when she said?
You don't see nobody else today?
Yeah.
What the hell? Where you get them everything?
Are you carry them come?
Yeah, so when you come collect this? Don't worry about that. I'm going to say you want not too much. Before you photo shoot this morning, you come just have to stop them. When you say I go church?
I did go church.
Oh, it's table that. Is that table, yes? Turn it.
You know that helps you so much.
No, but that's the matter, the base, the breeze, man. That's the matter, we could just take a picture And
Oh,
then
hold
make
it.
yeah, cause the breeze, you know we can't yeah, even my balloon them all know them
You know, come
here.
here. Yeah, I
I'm sorry, fuck.
come.
It's like here.
At the spot, there's somebody selected.
Yeah, but them say them prefer out here. So.
Yeah. Oh, gonna come to spot on team, guys. My friends are the best. Believe me that. Bumps for dog, you can't do anything to me. We'd have to dig sports, not a groove. Yeah, take a
We're
picture.
taking a picture. So, Trinity is wide. We are wide.
Yeah. So, yeah,
Rather
set
than
up your
take it
tripod and
down.
make it something. Yeah, you know, about the tripod.
Watch out, no man.
I'm telling you guys, it's white and pure. That's why you ask me about this.
But tell Chantal if you just drive come down the street with the gate there. No, alright.
Clear there.
I mean, you never tell us.
Are you, but me never did want to call the phone.
Oh, I lie about this.
Yeah, Jack. Yeah, they are.
No, I'm not. Even look alike. And then we have to.
And the eyelash. Yeah, man.
And the lash. That's why you call her. You can't call the girl some phone every minute. You cannot come to light now. Yeah, I'm on site, you know. That's why you think that she has said me happy. And then they say, but you not be. Some say, hey, this is not your woman. Some say, why am I check up on the girl? Jesus. Your friend Margaret, yeah? I mean, yeah, that's a... You want to get food and something? You cook? You cook? From when you up here, you go home last night? I know.
Shaddie TV.
Yeah.
So we're actually doing a surprise
So somebody else will take what they put on it? No worry about that. And stuff, it comes stuff? The budget is expensive though.
We'll send you the bill. Let's do it.
You ready? What's the sign of this?
Your phone.
Put this in a put this soda in. Shaddie, we do something nice for you. Why you talk about it?
She in shock, same way, man.
Good, I never expect all of them creative stuff, me, huh?
If you want ball and done.
Right and take off the eyelash.
Sure.
Just ball.
Alright, guys, get in focus.
Take your time, man. You're excited. You look bruised. China. What you do last night? No, what are we a match tablecloth? You think you're easy? Think you're easy?
Come together now and look so scattered like you don't know each other.
Think you would have come in?
Yeah, me I got the next one. Alright.
Man,
Fire.
come
There we
on.
go. Right, good.
Me a magic pink at clash.
How would that drop one?
I don't need phone anymore, guys.
Yeah,
I'm not
this is nice.
friends.
Alright. 10.
9, 8.
Each flash, I want to second.
Every time you flash, except the flash. Oh, they need flash.
Guys,
the candles.
my friends. Woo! Who should I some position?
You're the queen, that's it.
How much do them sit down here now?
You have to sit down to one side.
Just sit down to one side.
I have them something fancy. No man, we can do it later. I'm something fancy, guys.
So you're
When you knock off on no plate then.
Watch us sit down here now, magic. Catch you. I don't want them drop down.
It's that?
Guys, the pillar them firmy. I can't believe when they do this. I still got to talk about this. If I didn't know my birthday come out January morning. Wow. Alright, ready. Full time.
So they're not like Shaddie thing.
You might do it, man. They might bring plate. I gotta pop the
Hot bottle.
I know, I wing this? Yeah. Most of them get away.
Them they got the bird.
You said a short tree with, you know?
15 piece, right?
I'm gonna just take 2 for now. No go on.
2, 4, 6, 7 hours. Yeah, man. 2,
Hey, what do you do with that in now? So I'm gonna make our language. You know? Yeah. That's so cool. Never see a woman can mix language.
Who missing?
How much you can buy?
Take 2 for now.
You know, so the answer guy is going so
Happy
fast.
guys, you know. No, sir. We not the name. Go ahead. Yeah, that's what's a little tiny house at least.
Baba, where you want? Shall feed it, where you want?
You should know.
Give him one each then.
You should know.
Oh, corned beef, that's the biggest one, corned beef. You get it. Come on, do it. We should take a picture of me before we get fat. Are you a fat man? I know you're fat.
What's your fuck?
So the best friends ever!
Oh yeah!
Nah, like, come out.
Well, you are out too.
What you have to say for yourself? I just want to tell you happy birthday. I love you. Since I've met you, it's been nothing but love and fun. And I just want to tell you that I appreciate you so much. And I expect success and more money and more wealth for this year.
Big up yourself, Shaddie. You think large, you think loud. Love you for life. Peace.
Alright. Love it. Thank you all so much for making me enjoy my birthday. When I really come up, like watch your man them. Guys, the man them a pack up in a big event going on, guys. Watch it. Watch there. Guys, if you want a picnic like this, make sure you book my friends. But them can't find no by Instagram.